Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Harley-Davidson Sportster XL1200 model. This bike has just a little under 3,900 miles on it and is in mint condition. Got a couple of accessories on it, which I believe are OEM, but otherwise is mostly stock. So let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up. This 15 has been kept very clean. Like I said, it's in mint condition. I haven't found any scuffs, scratches, nicks, chips, anything like that on it. So they've kept this bike really clean. It does have passenger pegs and a passenger seat on it. And as you can tell by the back tire, that's in great shape. Got plenty of miles left on that. Also comes with a battery tender lead. And again, passenger pegs and the seat. So this also has forward controls on it. And again, the front tire, great shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. Just a really clean 48 model. And again, the forward controls. 3849 is what's on it. This one might have the baffles drilled out of it. Got a little deeper rumble than normal. This Sportster 48 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.